Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve your learning experience with study abroad services, full guide step by step clearly. Research the different study abroad programs available. Identify countries and institutions that align with your academic goals. Consider the language of instruction and cultural factors. Evaluate the program duration and start dates. Look into the cost of living in the destination country. Check the tuition fees and additional program costs. Understanding financial aid and scholarship options is essential. Consult with your academic advisor to discuss credit transfer policies. Speak with past participants to gain insights about their experiences. Create a list of essential documents needed for application. Gather academic transcripts, recommendation letters, and personal statements. Complete the application forms provided by the Study Abroad Service. Be mindful of deadlines for application submission. Prepare for any required language proficiency tests. Engage with the Study Abroad Service for guidance and support. Attend informational sessions to clarify any doubts. Plan your accommodation options in advance. Research housing types like dorms, homestays, or shared apartments. Understand the health insurance requirements for your destination. Get vaccinations if needed and complete any necessary medical checkups. Prepare a budget that accounts for all expenses during your stay. Familiarize yourself with local customs and cultural norms. Create a packing list that includes essential items and documents. Stay in contact with your Study Abroad Service for updates and resources. Confirm your travel arrangements a few weeks before departure. Arrive early to settle in and familiarize yourself with the area. Participate in orientation programs provided by the institution. Engage with fellow international students to build a support network. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.